Do you want your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to always show the time, battery, or notification even when the screen is off? Let me show you how to keep the always on display always visible. It's very easy and it makes your phone look smart and modern. First, head into setting. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap always on display. Next, tap when to show. And then select always. And that's it. Now, even when your phone is locked, you will see the clock, battery, and other information on the screen all the time. With the setting, you can check the time or battery fast without touching your phone. It also makes your phone look more stylish. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.